Hi friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel DVCraft. Friends, during this corona pandemic, three major things we need are gloves, mask and face shield. So today we are going to make face shield which will be made from scrap things. So let's make face shield from used bottle. So let's get started. First we will take a bottle and on that we will draw like this way and take a cutter and cut it. After cutting, it will look like this way. Now take a punching machine and punch upside. After punching, it will look like this way. Now take a hairband which are covered with purple ribbon and insert it in that holes. It will look like this way. Now I will take glue and stick the hairband. Let it dry. It's not completely dry. Till that time I will decorate the shield. If you don't want to decorate, leave it as it is. Now let's decorate the shield. Our face shield is ready. Let me adjust the hairband. And our face shield is ready now. Friends, my face shield is ready. It really guards me from corona. You should also try this. And thanks for watching my videos. And subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Thanks for watching.